Hi everyone, this is Jan, and I just thought I would share a quick tutorial of how to put the wraps on the blocks for you. First of all, make sure that you have done your painting and that your hardware is installed. Makes it much easier. Okay. I have printed and foiled my image that I want, and I am going to fold along the score lines. If you're using the PDF, you need to make sure that you print it on the back of your printed paper, all right? So that the lines, your score lines, won't shine through. It's really important that you do it that way, otherwise you won't have quite the professional finished look that you're looking for. Place your block on your paper just like that. Short end, the short fold right there, all right? And you're just gonna place a piece of tape. This is double stick tape on your block, and fold up and secure. All right. Then we're going to place another piece of tape on the block. And wrap and secure. It should be really close to the edge, if not just slightly over the edge, but it should be right at the edge. All right, the way this was designed. Now you have your blocks ready to string. I've created stringers. I call them stringers. That's probably not the right name, but that's what I'm calling them. They're made from beads that I've had in my stash, and I've added a lobster clasp to each end of each of the stringers, okay? The shorter stringers go between the blocks. The longer ones go on the outside. Finished for this particular, the finished size for this particular 3-block banner is approximately 24 inches long. You just hook like that. All right. This is a shorter one. So I'm going to do hope, courage, strength. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here. Oops. My apologies, my hand isn't working right today. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay. All right, then add the final stringer, and you're ready to hang wherever you want. Again, it is approximately 24 inches long. You could turn it over. I also have this one here made with silver, so it's just easy to transfer out. You could stack them like this, remove the the screw eyes, and just stack them and have them as a little decoration on a desk or on a windowsill. Some other ideas that we had for using these was to make a keychain. Use just an image that I had in my files from a garden series that I took a while back, and wrap that. Or make an ornament for a family tree using old photos. So many possibilities, options are endless. I hope that you have a really good time, and that you'll try this, and that you'll share your project with us at Creative Paprika. Again, Have a wonderful day, and thanks for joining me.